So when you're choosing a color, you got, whoa, I got whites, I got grays, I got designer, I got one coat hide. So anytime you see the word collection, you know you're paying more. So what you want to do is this. You pick up one of these, it's called the NYX Mini 3, and it's got an eyeball on it, and it'll tell you how to mix your paint, how to tint your. It'll give you the exact paint color, but it won't give you the dumb hipster color like this. This one somehow is called Notorious, or Napa Winery, or Evening Slipper, or Cyber Grape. What's a Cyber Grape? Anyway, so instead of giving you a totally moronic name, it's gonna give you the actual paint color, the red, white, and blue mix to mix your paint. So let's say this is $80 a liter because it's designer. You just take this here and you just scan it, and it'll go and then on your phone it'll tell you what color to get. And then you just go to the paint aisle and you grab a bucket of white paint, and then go to the counter and be like, can you add 3 red and 4 white and 8 blue, or whatever it is to your paint, and they'll mix your paint, and then you get the same color without the designer collection price. So, got any questions?